Okay, nearly 7 o'clock. Right, I have decided I'm going to buy myself, if it's under 20 quid, a new hammock. The reason for this is that the rain tarp is for a 2.4 meter hammock. Obviously it doesn't fit this one properly. It's not quite big enough. The underquilt I've got is for a 2.4 meter hammock. My hammock is 3 meters. It's great, it's nice, but I don't need a 3 meter hammock. I need an underquilt that fits. Also, I'm going to be replacing this thing, the oven ready. It works great, except that where it's split nearly in half, and I tied it together with a bootlace, it still works, but that means there's gaps. I never bought it as a blanket. That wasn't the idea. The idea was to have it underneath me, and it worked. But having it on top actually kind of like this, so it's over me, is brilliant. But where it's split, the wind comes through. I think it was a tenner. Most of the stuff I get seems to be that kind of price. So I'll get the same again, or maybe something similar. Because if it's on top, it's not going to get damaged. This has got quite a few like damaged bits where I was lying on it. So yeah, new hammock, new oven ready. Hello, son. Oh, I think I'm going to get out of bed and possibly light a fire and do coffee. Although everything's going to be saturated out there because it was pounding rain last night. That's why I bring cardboard and junk mail. Although I can barely swallow as it is with this fucking tooth. Side of my face is swollen. And there's a lot of bugs out there.